This is a short video about Yang O-hsi, a little about herself, and also a display of the work in a book which teaches people how to paint flowers in the spontaneous style, in Yang O-hsi's spontaneous style. The book is called 100 Flowers. Yang O-hsi was born in the Sichuan province in 1943. She went on and graduated from the Western Painting Department of National Art Academy and graduated from the Chinese Painting Department of the University of Chinese Culture as well. She's the instructress in Taiwan Provincial Taichung Normal College. She's had many individually held exhibitions, including one in San Francisco and San Jose in the United States, and she's also participated in Taichung City, Taiwan Provincial Library, as well as having an exhibition held at Cleveland Park Library, Washington, in the States. Yang O-hsi has also had jointly held exhibitions, one in the 9th National Art Exhibition in 1980, Who's Who in Art, ROC in 82. She participated in National Historical Museum, Taipei, and participated in the Chinese and Korean Culture Exchange Service and works exhibited in Korea. Yang O-hsi was selected as Outstanding Alumni by the University of Chinese Culture and National Art College and awarded the certificate of Honorary Citizen of San Jose in the States. The tutorial books that Yang O-hsi has out on the market at the moment include, but is not limited to, Flowers and Birds, A Perspective, 100 Flowers, 100 Birds, The Primer for Chinese Painting, and How to Paint Little Birds in Chinese Spontaneous Style. There are also tutorial videos on the market, but we won't cover these. We're primarily focusing today on the book 100 Flowers. The following are the words of Yang O-hsi herself. Flower and bird painting in spontaneous style plays an extremely important part in Chinese painting. Sometimes only flowers are drawn in the flower and bird paintings, thus the importance of flowers can be seen. Stones, insects, birds are added just to arouse liveliness to the actual painting. Good climates and good soil quality of China enables the growth of very many precious and peculiar flowers. As transportation means has shortened the distances of the world today, we have opportunities to appreciate outlands flowers too. In order to immortalize what our eyes see and what our hearts feel, painting is the most convenient and simple way. The most important thing in painting flowers is to capture their vividness. In order to attain that goal, first we have to observe and study very carefully the flower's forms, traits, and growing regularities or irregularities. Then we have to make sure that the mixed colours are suitable for the different species. Don't drop your brush too fast, because turbid or polluted colours are not allowed. The painter may use any pigment he likes, or she likes, not necessarily be restricted to the traditional ones. You also have to bear in mind that mixed colours have to be very tender and soft. Lastly, brushes and papers should be taken into consideration as well. There are very many kinds of brushes for this style of painting, such as wolf's hair, wool, rabbits, and all the others. Usually a wool brush is used to paint the flowers and leaves because it can hold very much water, but wolf's hair is used to draw the veins of the leaves and the trunks and boughs, etc., because of the strength that that style of hair possesses. The spontaneous style emphasizes the way the brush delivers the paint to the paper, and this can bring forth those effects which are most beautiful and most suitable to this style of painting, to render the flowers on Chinese paper. This book collects parts of many of my usual drawing work. It analyzes and illustrates methods of drawing. I also add various notes for the guidance of such artists who enjoy Chinese spontaneous painting style. Lastly, I would like to send my gratitude to Professor Li Huanshen for his writing of verses on many of my paintings.